Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. Today I'm going to try to show you how to operate your snow thrower when the carburetor actually has an issue and it's surging up and down. A lot of people have this problem from machines that sit. So this actually became a problem with me, and I figured it'd be a great time to show everybody as far as what I do to compensate. When you have a snow thrower that's surging, you can actually get your job finished, and this is how we do it. So the first thing you gotta do is I show you guys how it surges, and basically you just start your machine up, and then we're gonna fire it up, and then I'll show you when it's surging. Okay, just so you can hear me, right there was surging. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get the surging to go away while you're blowing snow so you can get the job done. That surging inside there is from the carburetor having a blockage inside, and so what we have to do is eventually at some point we're going to pull that carburetor off and clean it or replace it. Okay, so I'm going to start the machine up. I'm going to try to get you to zoom down in on the choke knob, and you also have to have the auger engaged to get your perfect to get the perfect mix of fuel and air. You're going to compensate by using this choke. So I'm going to start it up. You're not going to be able to hear me, but I'm going to move the choke into a position where when the augers are engaged, it's actually going to smooth out and we'll be able to use this, and I'll blow some snow for you. Okay, so choke on, start it up. You have to engage the auger, okay? So we're going to engage the auger. Okay, so basically that's how I was able to smooth out the carburetor from the engine from surging. So there is a carburetor problem with it, but just so you know, you can blow snow with the carburetor that is surging. Just wanted to let you guys know that. So that's something that a lot of people are going to be stuck with on my engine surging, and that's the way to compensate. And you can get the job done. You may have to play with it a little bit, and if it does unclog itself, which normally they don't, but if it does, then you're going to have to take the choke off and you should be good to go. Okay, so I also have a video on how to rebuild those carburetors and how to remove that carburetor. This is a Troy-Bilt 2410, I'm thinking. Yeah, this is a Troy-Bilt Storm 2410. I know a lot of you guys had issues with them in the past as far as just they sat so long, but I'll put a link in the description below on how to remove the carburetor and also how to rebuild the carburetor if you guys want to get into that. And again, thank you very much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it all. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.